please.
Executive 927, Hooks Tower, standby land traffic.
Hey, standing by at Executive 927.
Cessna 66 Foxtrot, change to runway 17 left. Cancel landing clearance, change runway 17 left, cleared low approach.
Low approach for 17 left, 66 Foxtrot.
Hooks Tower, Hawker 489, Bravo Mike's coming up a beam on a right downwind, 17 right.
Hawker 489er, Bravo Mike, Hooks Tower, reduce your airspeed. It will be one departure prior to arrival, needs a back taxi. Traffic 12 o'clock, about 2 miles eastbound, Cessna P indicates 1,300.
Tally ho the traffic, 489, Bravo Mike.
We're 40 Kilo, cancel landing clearance, change to runway 17 left, cleared to land.
To pilot, we're 9040 Kilo, cannot land runway 17 right, 17 left.
We're 9040 Kilo, roger, continue, runway 17 right, clear to land, winds 19010, gust 19.
Clear to land, runway 17 right, we're 9040 Kilo.
Hooks Tower, airplane 446 Quebec Tango, we're about 1,200 feet over the woodlands, inbound.
So 446 Quebec Tango, Hooks Tower, squawk 5346, continue inbound.
5346, 46 Quebec Tango.
Cessna 3 Alpha Foxtrot, cherry base turn, landing runway 17 left.
Transition to the base turn, landing 17 left now, 83 Alpha Foxtrot.
How are we doing?
Tower 9, Bravo Mike, how much will we need to extend the downwind?
Hawker 9 Bravo Mike, you can start your base turn now.
Alright, turn to base, 9 Bravo Mike.
Executive 927, turn right back taxi, runway 17 right from Charlie.
Get back taxi on runway 17 right, Executive 927.
Executive 927, minimal delay, Hawker traffic on a 4.5 mile right base. Cessna traffic on the right basis for the parallel runway.
Alright, we'll hurry up, Executive 927.
Number 40 Kilo, exit taxiway Golf and contact ground point 8.
Exit Golf, contact ground 121.8, we're 9040 Kilo.